Ginger also possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Some research indicates that ginger may help protect the liver from certain toxins and support overall liver health. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have been studied for their potential protective effects on the liver. Garlic may help stimulate liver enzymes that support detoxification processes. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that curcumin may have protective effects on the liver by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Ingredients: turmeric, ginger, the garlic. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.